As you guys already saw the title of this video, which is we are making chicken, but with a heavy heart. I know this is probably going to be different kind of video, maybe my first one like this, because honestly I just don't want to fake anything today. I don't want to pretend joy in my voice when it's not there. Do you guys ever feel like you are living the happiest days of your life and suddenly it's all gone? I mean, I don't know, but maybe it's because of attachments, maybe it's expectations, or maybe it's because you found your whole world in someone else and all of a sudden everything just collapsed. Your own expectations start to hurt you, and you keep pretending in front of everyone that you're strong, you're fine, but inside you're battling with your own self. And in the end, it always you versus you. It will always be you versus you. You sit there wondering, did I waste my time, my energy? Did I overthink, overlove, overgive? Or maybe you did just too much for the wrong people, or maybe you just did too much, period. And guess what? It worked for some time. It felt good, really good. But then one day it backfires, and it hurts in a way that you just cannot explain, but you still have to pull yourself together with a heavy heart and keep moving. That's today for me. I just feel like I needed to talk to you all. I know this might not be entertaining, maybe you didn't came here for this, but today I needed to pour my heart out. I just wanted to distract myself from my overthinking with cooking. And I know this is not the recipe I wanted to make, or maybe it's just a simple chicken, but it's far away from being fancy or not something you just see on a Food Network or a high-end blog. But it just gave me 5 minutes of calm. Honestly, basic reason to make this video was to talk to you guys, and I just wanted to be real with you guys. I am not perfect, and I'm not trying to be perfect. Maybe I'm not a perfect chef here, but I'm trying to heal, learn every day, be a better person, talk to you guys. So here we are, and my comment box is always open for you guys. Talk to me and just share your experience. Have you ever felt like this? Have you ever had days where your heart felt heavy too, and you still got up and tried? Or maybe what helps you get out of bed every day, or what reminds you to keep going? Maybe this thing will help me too, and I love to know. I love to build something real with you guys here. Maybe a small family, a space where it's okay to be not okay. And yeah, also guys, you can check the description box for the full recipe. Again, I know it's not up to expectations, but today I just made this simple recipe. I just wanted to talk to you guys. As I told you earlier, this is maybe a simple recipe, but it will bring you a comfort too. And if you have any suggestions, or if there's any kind of video you'd like me to make, I am open to it. Yeah, so we are done for today. Also, I'm not good at doing such voiceovers, so pardon me, but we will learn. Yeah. And if you still made it out to this point and being here and listening to me and watching my video, thank you. Also, I will try to make better content for you guys. Don't worry, these are just the days. We will be back definitely with full energy. But for that, I need your support. Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, thank you for being here. Thank you for listening. And I hope you enjoy this recipe. Bye bye. Take care, guys. I'll see you next time.